Every AI code assistant makes the same design mistakes: interfont, purple gradients, cards nested inside cards, gray text on colored backgrounds. Impeccable is a design language that fixes all of it. 7 design modules, 18 steering commands, anti-pattern detection across 10 AI harnesses, 19,000 stars in weeks, and it was created by the same person who built jQuery UI. Impeccable is a comprehensive design skill system created by Paul Bakaus that enhances AI code assistance with real front-end design expertise. The core problem it solves is this: every LLM learned from the same generic templates and training data. Without explicit design guidance, they produce the same predictable, mediocre output. You've seen it everywhere: the default interfont on everything, purple to blue gradients that scream AI generated, cards nested 3 layers deep for no reason, gray text on colored backgrounds that fails accessibility, and bounce elastic animations that feel like 2015. Impeccable addresses this by providing structured design knowledge across 7 domains: typography, color theory, spatial design, motion, interaction patterns, responsive layout, and UX writing. It's not a linter, and it's not a component library. It's a skill that runs inside your AI assistant and fundamentally changes how the assistant thinks about design decisions. The project is open source under Apache 2.0, has over 19,000 GitHub stars with 846 forks, and supports 10 different AI harnesses: Claude Code, Cursor, OpenCode, Pi, Gemini CLI, Codex CLI, VS Code Copilot, Kiro, Tray, and RovoDev. It was built on top of Anthropic's original front-end design skill and significantly expanded with domain-specific modules, steering commands, and anti-pattern detection that the original didn't have. The creator matters here because Impeccable isn't a weekend project by a random developer. It comes from someone with 2 decades of design and product expertise at the highest level. Paul Bakaus created jQuery UI in 2007, the foundational interaction library that brought drag-and-drop sortable lists, date pickers, and dialog boxes to web browsers. That library is still deployed across millions of websites today. He then co-founded Aves Engine, an early in-browser game engine that was acquired by Zynga. At Google, he led Chrome DevTools product management, launched and directed AMP and Web Stories, and then founded Google for Creators, the organization dedicated to supporting content creators across Google's entire ecosystem. After Google, he served as EVP of product at Spotter, building Spotter Studio, an AI-driven SaaS platform for YouTube creators, overseeing product, engineering, and design teams. He's currently independent, working as a fractional CPO and advisor to startups at the intersection of AI and creativity, building open-source tools including Impeccable and agent reviews, speaking at conferences, and writing about AI, product development, and culture. The point is, when Paul Bakaus encodes design opinions into an AI skill, those opinions carry the weight of someone who has shipped design systems used by billions of people. Let's look at the repo. 19,000 stars and 846 forks for a design skill is extraordinary adoption. This became the most popular design skill in the Claude Code ecosystem within days of launch. The repository structure is organized by AI harness: separate directories for Cursor, Claude Code, OpenCode, Pi, Gemini CLI, Codex CLI, Tray, and RovoDev, each containing the skill files configured for that specific tool. The source directory contains the 7 domain-specific skill modules that form the knowledge base, plus the 18 steering commands. The CLI Detector is a standalone Node.js tool that can scan files, directories, or live URLs for design anti-patterns without requiring any AI harness at all. The README includes a clear comparison of what each AI harness supports and configuration instructions for every single one. The 7 design modules form the knowledge backbone that the AI assistant references when making design decisions. Typography covers font systems, font pairing rules, modular scales for consistent sizing, and OpenType feature usage, telling the AI when to use tabular numbers, proper ligatures, or specific font weights. Color and contrast teaches OKLCH color spaces for perceptually uniform color manipulation, tinted neutrals instead of pure grays, systematic dark mode strategies, and WCAG accessibility compliance. Spatial design covers 8-pixel grid spacing systems, visual hierarchy principles, and consistent padding and margin patterns. Motion design provides guidance on appropriate easing curves, stagger timing for list animations, and critically, reduced motion media queries for accessibility. Interaction design handles form patterns, focus state styling, loading and skeleton patterns, and touch target sizing. Responsive design teaches mobile-first methodology, fluid typography and spacing using clamp functions, and modern container queries. UX writing covers button labeling conventions, error message tone and structure, empty state messaging, and microcopy that guides users. Each module is a self-contained reference that the AI can draw from contextually. It doesn't dump all 7 modules into every response. It pulls in the relevant guidance based on what you're building. The 18 steering commands are where Impeccable becomes interactive. Instead of passively applying design rules, you can direct the AI with explicit design intent. The audit command runs a technical quality check, accessibility compliance, semantic HTML correctness, performance implications of your CSS, and design system consistency. The critique command performs a UX design review, evaluating layout decisions, information hierarchy, and user flow patterns from a designer's perspective rather than a technical one. Polish is the final production readiness pass. It catches the small details like inconsistent border radii, misaligned elements, and spacing inconsistencies that separate prototype quality from shipping quality. Normalize aligns your code with established design system tokens, consistent color variables, spacing scales, and typography tokens. Distill strips a component to its essence, removing visual noise and unnecessary decoration. Animate, colorize, bolder, and quieter adjust the visual energy level, making interfaces more dynamic or more subdued. Harden focuses on edge cases and error handling. What happens with long text, empty states, failed loads, and network errors. And Overdrive pushes into advanced technical territory. Complex CSS techniques, creative animations, and sophisticated layout patterns. Commands can be chained. Running audit, normalize, and polish in sequence performs a complete design review pipeline in one pass. Impeccable explicitly defines and detects 24 design anti-patterns. The AI slop patterns include side tab borders that AI assistants default to instead of proper navigation, purple to blue gradients that are the telltale signature of AI-generated designs, bounce and elastic easing that feels dated, dark background glows that reduce readability, Inter, or System UI as the only font choice, gray text on colored backgrounds that fails contrast, and cards nested inside cards, creating visual confusion. Beyond AI-specific patterns, it also catches general design quality issues, missing focus indicators, inconsistent spacing, inaccessible color combinations, and poor responsive behavior. The standalone CLI Detector lets you scan without an AI assistant at all. Run npx impeccable detect on a source directory, a single file, or a live URL, and it identifies every anti-pattern present. The fast flag uses regex only matching for speed, and the JSON flag outputs structured results for CI/CD integration. This means you can add Impeccable as a design quality gate in your build pipeline. Flag AI slop before it ever reaches production, the same way you'd lint for code quality. The detector catches patterns that are visually obvious to a designer but invisible to traditional linting tools, making it a genuine gap filler in the front-end toolchain. Installation depends on your AI harness. For Claude code, the skill files go in the .claude directory, either in your project for project-specific use, or in .Claude for global availability across all projects. For Cursor, you need the nightly channel with agent skills enabled, and the files go in .cursor. Gemini CLI requires the preview version with skills enabled using the .gemini directory. Codex CLI uses a .codex directory with Abachian prompts, syntax reference. OpenCode, Pi, Tray, and Rovo Dev each have their own directory conventions. The easiest path is the website at impeccable.style, which offers ready-to-use bundles you can download for your specific harness. Alternatively, clone the repo and copy the relevant harness directory into your project. For the standalone CLI detector, no installation is needed at all. Just run npx impeccable detect with a target path or URL. You can use the teach command, impeccable teach, to run a one-time setup that gathers your project's design context and saves it to the configuration, making the skills suggestions more aligned with your existing design system, rather than imposing its own defaults. The entire system is free, open source, requires no API key, no subscription, and no account. That's Impeccable, the design language that teaches your AI code assistant to stop writing ugly front ends. 7 design modules, 18 steering commands, 24 anti-pattern detections, 10 AI harnesses supported, and all of it from the creator of jQuery UI. GitHub link and the impeccable.style website are in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more developer tool deep dives.